Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are solve a interesting math Olympiad question. Our question is 2 to the power a plus 4 to the power a plus 8 to the power a is equal to 39. A is equal to what? How to solve this interesting viral math Olympiad question. So our math solution. I solve this question easy method. So first of all, here is 2 to the power a. So I take our question 2 to the power a. This is 4 to the power a, and this is 8 to the power a is equal to 39. This is our question. Here is a is equal to what? Now you can say that it will be a 2 to the power a, and this 4 it will be 2 to the power 2 bracket power is a. Look, 2 to the power 2 it will be 4. Then here is same case, it will be 2 to the power 3, it will be 8 bracket power is a is equal to 39. Now according to exponential formula, we know that a to the power n bracket power is m, it will be a to the power n m, or you can say it will be a to the power m bracket power is n. So if I apply this math formula here, it will be 2 to the power a plus 2 to the power a bracket power is 2. I just move on this to inside the bracket, and here 2 to the power a bracket power is 3 is equal to 39. Then you can say here is 2 to the power a, this is 2 to the power a, this is 2 to the power a. It is same case, so let 2 to the power a is equal to y. So we will let 2 to the power a is equal to y. Now you can say it will be y plus y square plus y to the power 3 is equal to 39. Then this cubic equation, it will be y to the power 3 plus y square, then positive y. Then if I move on this below in this side, it will be negative 39 is equal to 0. Now you can see this expression, it will be y to the power 3 plus y square and positive y, and if I evaluate this 39, you can see this, it will be 27 plus 9, this is 36, and plus 3 is equal to 39, and here is 0. Then you can say here y to the power 3 plus or minus, it will be minus 27. I take this value here plus this is y square. Then if I take this negative value 9 plus or minus, it will be positive negative 9, and this is positive y, and this is minus 3 is equal to 0. Plus minus, it will be minus 3. Then here y to the power 3, and we know that 27 it will be 3 to the power 3 bracket plus y square. Then here is 9 it will be 3 to the power 2 bracket, then it will be y minus 3 is equal to 0. Now we know that a cube minus b cube formula, it will be a cube minus b cube, it will be a minus b times s square plus ab plus v square. And we know the other formula, it will be s square minus b square, it will be a plus b times a minus b. I apply both formula here, then this expression, it will be a minus b is 3, and a square plus ab 3 times y, it will be 3y plus v square, I mean 3 to the power 2, it will be 9 plus, and if I apply this formula here, it will be a square minus b square, a plus b times a minus b, a plus b times a minus b, and here is positive y minus 3 is equal to 0. Now in this expression, you can say this is y minus 3, this is y minus 3, this is y minus 3, so y minus 3 is common. So if I take this value is common, this divide this, it will be y square plus 3y plus 9, and this divide this, it will be y plus 3, and this divide this, it will be positive 1 equal to 0. Now here y minus 3 times, it will be y square plus 6y, this is 6y, and sorry, this is 4y, and 9 plus 1, it will be 10, 10 plus 3, it will be 13 is equal to 0. So we'll find out here is y minus 3 times y square plus 4y plus 13 is equal to 0. So now at this moment you can say here two cases. Our first case is y minus 3 is equal to 0, and other case it will be y square plus 4y plus 13 is equal to 0. Then here y is equal to 3. I just move on this negative 3 in this side, it will be positive 3, and here y is equal to what? So you can see here a is equal to positive 1, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to 13. Then here delta, it will be b square minus 4ac. I think we are find out here is a complex solution. So b square will be 4 to the power 2 minus 4a square. ac, c is 13. It will be 16, and this is 52. Then it will be minus 36. We are less than, it is less than 0. So we are find out here is complex solution, complex number. Here is no real solution, so it is rejected. I can't follow this below, this math below. Now here y is equal to 3. So remember that, or recall, y is equal to 2 to the power a. Here y is equal to 2 to the power a. So I put this value here, y is equal to 2 to the power a is equal to 3. Now a is equal to what? So at this moment I use both side natural log. Log 2 to the power a is equal to log 3. Now this exponent move on in front, so it will be a log 2 is equal to log 3. Now at this moment if I divide both sides by log 2, we'll find out a is equal to log 3 over log 2. Now this value will be log 3 base 2. This is our final answer in this exponential maths Olympiad question. Let's verify our question. It will be 2 to the power a plus 4 to the power a plus 8 to the power a is equal to 39. This is our question. This is left hand side and this is right hand side in this math problem. So let's verify our question. Or a, it will be this. So you can say here 2 to the power a, it will be log 3 base 2 plus 2 to the power 2 times 2 to the power 2 will be 4, but times a it will be log 3 base 2 plus 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 it will be 8, but a it will be log 3 base 2 is equal to 39. So okay, it is interesting maths. Now here it will be 3 according to natural log formula, and this is, I just move on this below here, exponent according to this formula, I mean according to exponential formula, natural log formula, this to move on here. So it will be 3 to the power 2 plus, and it is also move on here, it will be 3 to the power 3 is equal to 39. Okay, now this is 3 and this is 9 and this is 27 is equal to 39. Now you can say it will be 39 is equal to 39. Here is left hand side and right hand side, both sides is equal in this math problem. Thank you all. If you enjoy this math Olympiad question, please subscribe my channel for other interesting video. Goodbye, take care.